Welcome to our course on Advanced Steel, Advanced Level for designing, detailing, and generation of shop drawings for truss structures and steel stairs. This time, we bring you a step-by-step course in which you'll learn how to perform the modeling and detailing of both truss structures and steel stairs. And for this purpose, we'll start this course off by working with a structural model such as this. Since this structure, beyond the modeling of the truss itself, will allow us to also approach important topics, such as advanced editing techniques for working with both profiles and connections, adapting them to our needs. Moreover, and due to its particular design, this structure will also allow us to approach the modeling of both custom connections and steel profiles and how to distribute them across our structure. And once we have completed this structural model, we'll continue by taking a look at the generation of all the corresponding detail and assembly drawings, and for which we'll make use of the Drawing Style Manager, as this will allow us to begin creating and working with our own customized drawing templates. Namely that aside from just observing how to apply the already existing templates, we'll also take a look at how to modify these according to our needs. And once we have successfully completed this structural model, we'll continue by approaching the very important subject of the modeling and detailing of steel stairs and ladders, which at the same time will also allow us to more closely observe the creation of elements such as railings and gratings, along with all the necessary editing techniques for adapting these to our model. Finally, and as you may expect, once we have completed the modeling of the staircase, we'll continue by generating the corresponding detail and assembly drawings, and for which, once more, we'll take a second look at both the Drawing Style Manager and the creation of our own drawing templates. All these subjects and more will be thoroughly covered during this step-by-step course. Moreover, and just like with all our courses, remember that if you have any doubts while working with the multiple tools that we'll observe, or while applying these to your own projects, you can always resort to our Support Center for assistance. See you on our course on Advanced Steel, Advanced Level for designing, detailing, and generation of shop drawings for truss structures and steel stairs.